In this video, we're going to have a look at adding channels to Teams within Microsoft Teams. So I'm going to use the Teams training team that I just created in a previous video. And like I said in that video, you'll always have a general channel which you can use to have general conversations as a department, a project, or a process team. But you might want to create other channels to hold your budget information, your project documentation, or different streams of your project or your department or team. So loads of different options there. And to create a channel, I'm just going to come to the three dots. And remember, in Teams, whenever you see three dots, you've got loads of options down there. And the one I'm going to be looking for is Add Channel. Now I can go into Manage Team and I can add a channel from there, but I can also do it here directly by clicking on Add Channel. And I just need to pop a channel name in. So I'm going to call it Project Docs. Just like when I created a team, I can add a description to help people understand what to use that channel for, what should be in there. And then I need to decide the privacy settings. So you've got a couple of options here. If you set it to standard, then everyone who has access to that team will also see the channel and we will be able to collaborate. But if I set it to private, once I've added anyone to the team, I then need to add them to the channel. So it may be that you've got 4 people in the team, but you only want to have yourself and your other manager or other colleague have access to this channel. So you would set it as private and then add your other colleague as a member of this channel separately. So the other 2 colleagues wouldn't even know this channel existed. They just wouldn't see it. Just a note there, if you do set a channel to private, you can't change it at a later date. So you will need to manage and you will need to double add team members to the team and the channel. Or you will need to move all your content onto a new channel and delete it. So really have a think about why you're creating a private channel before you do. But there are plenty of reasons why you would want to use private channels. And you can have plenty within the team itself. You can have around 20. That might change as Microsoft increases the amount of channels you can have. So I'm going to leave mine as standard. And I can automatically show this channel in everyone's channel list as well. So if I tick that, they'll automatically see it. And I'm going to click on Add. And just like when I created the team, the channel's there on the left-hand side. And I can see Project Docs. And I can see at top, I've got all of my options within the channel. To add files, to use the wiki if I wanted to use the wiki, and click on the plus. So I've got loads of options once I've added my channel.